Well, my friends, we're over at the counter so that I can share with you my new, this is a new crochet, the Love and Hope Lace Sweater. Had to stop and think for a minute. So I wanted to, I've had a few crochet projects finished. I just haven't had time to get them to film. And so it was cool tonight, and I thought, well, if I get the filming done, and especially after having that nice chat with everyone's relaxed. You are awesome. I just thank you so much for just giving me those few minutes to hear my birthday wish. And I just know, I just know. Just like you trust me, I trust you. Thank you so much. And I just wanted to share with you this pretty sweater that I did some time ago. It's really simple, it's really easy, and it's fun too. So let's just take an overview real quick, and then we'll get right into it. Alright, like I said, this is crochet. It's easy enough for a beginner. You know, if you're still new at crocheting, this is really easy. You know, I try to keep my things pretty simple. So this is the same style, the style that I was working in my last knit tutorial. We worked the back up, work from the back up. So this is the exact same style, but in crochet. So I'm going to move my little flower up here. I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to just let you look at the front here. Just kind of see when we, but this is where we start. We start on the back side of the sweater. I may have to check my camera. We start on the back side, and I'm going to pull up just so that you can see the bottom. Now, the back is I kept very plain. We are going to work in filet crochet because it's just one of my favorite ways to make a simple sweater that, like I said, even a beginner could do. And it's easy for you to find, to get a size to fit you, and it's easy to, as we work up, we'll start down here at the very bottom edge. I'm going to show you my process of doing a long chain. It's the way I crochet, and how easy it is because we're designing as we go. Anytime I might need to change something, if I have a set number of stitches, then I've got to refigure everything. But if I just do a long chain, longer than what I need to fit the particular part of the body, and this will be the back from one side of your body across your back, but it's hard to measure across your back, so you can just go across your front. From one side all the way across the belly button over to this side, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to count. Then once we make a chain longer than what we need and start working our stitch, and then we'll continue to work up the back. It's like one, you can say square, maybe a rectangle, but it's just one piece. You're going to come up the back. Now let me check my camera, see if you can see this part of it. Yep, you'll come all the way up the back. Then we'll stop. In fact, this part that we're talking about now will be like step 1. I'm gonna call it the back, neck, and shoulders. I'm gonna do it all like in one step because it's a lot easier in crochet than we do in the knitting. So we'll just come all the way up to where however many inches from the bottom of this sweater up to the base of your neck or near the top of your shoulders. And so I will use my standard measurement, about 20 inches. I went back to 20 because it just worked so well for me. And then we'll set in some stitches, some double crochets to fill in some of the filet crochet stitches to form the neck. We'll show you how easy to do that, and I'll give you a little extra formula so that you can always make a sweater anytime you want. I'm going to show you how easy it is.